Hey guys, so I got a package from Birds and Bees Teas, and I figured I'd bring my video into the kitchen today so I can make a cup of tea and show off all the stuff they sent me. So I woke up a little while ago, so don't mind me. This is the box that I got. It's so pretty. I love the drawings on it. It's really cute. So I've been drinking tea a lot while I'm pregnant. So when I reached out to this company, I was really excited. I saw really great things that they had on their website. So it comes with this. Now I got their sample kit. So it comes with these little bags of all different flavors. So I'm going to take them all out so you can just kind of see the packaging. Really cute. Another one here. These look so good, and just 100% organic ingredients. Like, you can just see how fresh these are in the packaging alone. This looks amazing. Got a whole bunch in here. How cute are these little bags? Okay. Now, these also are really good for, one of the reasons why I reached out to them is that they have teas for lactation, to stop milk production when you're trying to wean off. So this is one of them, Milk Be Gone. Obviously, I'm not going to take this yet, but this one is for promote healthy lactation, right here. So each one kind of has its own purpose in a way, besides just tasting really yummy. So, ripe and ready tea. Let's see. A nourishing red raspberry leaf blend with a hint of cinnamon, allspice, hibiscus, used for the last few weeks of pregnancy. Okay. All the instructions are right here on the label. It tells you exactly what they're for, what's in each one, and exactly how to make it. Right here is Easy Naps and Calm Tea. We got Family Immunity Tea. It'll boost your immune system. We also got a 10% off in our box right here. This one is Light-Hearted Tea, a blend of meadow sweat, chamomile, and lavender. Useful for helps with heartburn. This is great for heartburn, guys. This could be used during the duration of the pregnancy. Peaceful pregnancy tea. I think I might make this one. Inner Peace Tea, a blend of lemongrass, ginger with a hint of peppermint for upset stomach and belly. So that's great. I love how things are actually suited and made for pregnant women. So you literally have a tea for almost everything and anything here, from heartburn to an upset stomach to milk production and weaning off. I think this is fantastic. Grounded tea, a nourished blend of rose hips and dandelion to keep you balanced. Now, all these are caffeine free, just in case anyone was wondering. I think they do have regular caffeinated on their website. I know you are allowed 200 milligrams of caffeine a day, depending, on your pregnancy. Again, consult your doctor. I am not a doctor. My doctor gave me the okay to have 200 milligrams a day of pregnancy. So now that I showed you everything that's in my box, you can see right here, everything's on my counter. All the cute little teas. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make one and let you know how it is. So what I'm gonna be making right now is Peaceful Pregnancy Tea. This one can be used through the duration, if I can speak English, of your pregnancy. tape on there. I think this looks so good. And this one is Luscious Red Raspberry Loose Leaf Blend for duration of pregnancy. It says that it has a whole bunch of rose hips, rose petals, hawthorn berries, orange peel, so I'm really excited. Get me a mug. So this right here, got my little mug, so you can see the clear, goes right on top of your mug. Boom. So now it says 1 tablespoon of loose leaf. So, ooh. Oh my god, this smells so good. And if you guys watch my other videos, you know that I'm all about smells. So, ooh. Really, really, it just smells so fresh. So I'm gonna take right here, you can see, right into gonna make sure it all gets in there. Now it says to steep for 5 to 20 minutes. I like mine a little stronger flavor, so I'm probably gonna let it sit a little bit longer. Now, I'm gonna let this do its thing, and when it's all done, we'll come back and I'll show you and let you know how it tastes. So, we'll be back. So, here we go. All finished. All I need to do is take this out, and that's it. One, two, three. Okay. That color.
What we do here is go back.
That is good. So. Again, the one I tried right here. Guys, go check them out. They're really yummy. Show you all the flavors. And birds and bees tea. Okay.